Hello viewers, in this video, I will discuss how you can add a gradient border to H1 element, or any other HTML element. We will take the help of before pseudo-element to accomplish the challenge. Here are lines of HTML, now we write styles to add a gradient border. The position property is used for positioning elements according to the parent element, or itself. We add a gradient background color. For this, a linear gradient function is used. It accepts one or more parameters. But here we will use three parameters. First is for direction, the second and third for color. You can use any color according to your theme. Add padding to rem. Check the result in the browser. Yes, a gradient background color has been applied. Now we use before pseudo-element to make the border. The content property is used to generate the content dynamically. Add background color. Use display property block to make the full width view. Set position property value to absolute. Leave 16 pixels of space from top and bottom. Now we set the dimension. We will use calc function for dimension. It is an inbuilt CSS function which allows us to perform calculations. Check the result in the browser. Yes, the border is ready, but the text is hidden. So we shall have to just add 2 lines to our style, so that the text can be displayed. Add position property with relative value. And center align the text. So, now our code is complete. Let's check the result in the browser. Oh, that's good. You can give a box or element a nice border like this. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.